An otherwise peaceful week before Christmas interrupted. Sister Donna Marie Crochet was the first to arrive at St. Cecilia's School before the sun came up.
It was dark this morning when they came into the school, and it was very frightening.
There was no electricity or heat. It wasn't a normal power outage. The building's electrical wires had been cut.
This is all electrical wire that goes to air conditioning that goes across the building. They took the conduit out and just worked their way all the way down.
Conduit as in copper.
This pipe is probably a 2-gauge wire, pretty costly.
$6,000 to $8,000 worth. The entire air conditioning heating system, along with a new gymnasium floor and stage, had just been paid for with a grant. This is a church congregation already suffering after a summertime fire that gutted the sanctuary. While the church waits for an insurance settlement, the gymnasium temporarily houses services. Now it's out of heat.
This is another hit that they took, and it's a big loss, and it's something that's going to have to, of course, eventually be taken care of.
To me, I think it's very sad that people have to stoop that low, but to me, it's sad if they stoop that low to do it to anyone.
Children are resilient, though. They intend to perform their Christmas program in the gym as planned, cold or not. It seems copper thieves can't steal their Christmas spirit.